There goes Miles. Look at that. All right. Sullivan. Whoa. I'll get you in just a minute, Tiny. Whoa, that didn't sound good. Now, what are you doing over here, Tiny?
Eating.
Eating what?
That.
Oh, yummy. There's Bunny over there guarding the driveway.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, dude. That was...
Good trick, Miles.
There you go, Miles.
Oh, look, here comes Sullivan.
Yeah.
Right behind him.
I'm gonna get you. Why can't I get away? What is that on me? What is that on me holding me back? I will get you. Oh! What was that? Oh,